All right, hello. Let's look at number 14. This is a problem that has to do with gravity. And this is not a constant. So it's not free fall. This is like a projectile or the speed you have like going up. So we want to just know the x-intercepts to know how long they'll be in the air. So let's see, x squared plus 58x. Okay, so I know there's x in both of these. Let's factor out x, and I'm going to set it equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 16x plus 58. So I know this one will, of course, be 0. And then to figure out the other one, it would be this, which is negative 16x plus 58 equals 0. That's the same thing as 16x equals 58. Divide by 16. X is 3, right? And is it 10 sixteenths? Or 3 divided by 2 and 5/8 seconds. So that's how I would do that one. Whenever you see ax squared, ooh, that's a horrible x. Ax squared plus bx, just factor it, factor out x. And then you just have your two zeros. One will be 0, and then the other one you just solve here. So that's a good one to ask a question about. Let's look at the other number, 22. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, if the total area, okay, so what's the length of this? Well, that's going to be x, x, 2x plus 7, right? And then same thing, x here, x here. This is 2x plus 6. So the total area of the whole thing is 156. That's going to be 2x plus 6 times 2x plus 7 is going to equal 156 because we know length times width equals area, right? A rectangle, you go with me? All right, so let's FOIL it. It's 4x squared. See, plus 14x plus 12x. Oh yeah, we find out the x. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to think of how to find the width. I think we have to find x and then we do the thing. Wide. Then that's what we'll go to. Sorry. Focus. Plus 42 equals 156. 4x squared plus I is this right? 12, 14, 26x plus 42 equals 156. 4x squared plus 26x minus 112 equals 0. They're even. So I need to factor this. I don't want to do quadratic formula. I can divide by 2 because that's going to be the same zeros. So that's 2x squared plus 13x minus, what is this, 60? No, 56 equals 0. And that's going to be the same 0. So if I do this, a times c, I know that's 112. And a difference of 13. Well, we started with 56 times 2, and that's 112, right? But if I make one negative, that's still going to be way off. It's not 14. Let me try doubling and halving and doubling. So then that is 28 times 4 That is a difference of 24. Not quite there. Again, 14 and 8. Right, I think this all checks out. However, this is a difference of 6. So it's got to be a little bit more than there. So 14. I'm going to think of how I can break this down. Definitely know there's a 7 in there. 2, 2, 2, 2. So what it would be 7 and 16. That's a difference of, I guess it'd be this way. 9, getting closer. What about this? Did I do this already? 1428. Hmm. Now I'm worried that I did some math wrong. 156 minus 42. 4. Oh, that's cringy. 114. Okay. So 57, right? Whatever, I don't regret it. 114. You'll see that when you take shortcuts, you'll make little mistakes. Let's go back to this step. I don't want to re-record a whole video, so well, hopefully this is my last mistake. 114, because that's this. And then we said it's 57 times 2 is 114. No. I think I could this is what about 19? Yeah, that's it. And 6. Because I know this is divisible by 3, and then I triple it. So thirding and tripling. I'm going to make this one negative. So I have 2x squared. Instead of plus 13x, let's do plus 19x. This is going to go weird, but it's fine. Minus 6x minus 57 equals 0. I can divide these by x. 2x plus 19. And then I want this to be 2x plus 19 equals 0. That's negative 3. X minus 3 and 2x plus 19 equals 0. This one won't make sense. It's going to be a negative, and the width is not going to be negative. So the width is going to be 3. Or like x is going to be 3. So we plug in 3 to this. And you get 6 plus 6 is 12. Width is 12. This one would be 6 times 13. 12 times 13 is 156. Like a fast way of doing this, now that I know, is like you could factor 156. And what's the difference between the length and the width? They're 1 apart, so I know the length is 1 more. So you could literally have just, if you want to do like a speedy way, is just thinking of like, oh, 156. Well, that's 2 times 78. Those are not next to each other. Let's keep going. 4 times 39. Okay, let's triple and divide by 3. 12 and 13. Oh, look, those are 1 away from each other. Okay, so that is, oh, what's up, monkey? That is how you solve that problem. The width would be 12 inches.